Thinking about buying a tire repair kit but not sure which one to choose? The market is packed with options. Some promise heavy-duty performance, others focus on quick and easy fixes, while a few highlight all-in-one emergency solutions. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed real customer reviews, features, and overall performance to bring you the top 5 best tire repair kits of 2026, perfect for car owners, bikers, SUV drivers, and anyone who wants to stay prepared on the road. Make sure you don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to find out which tire repair kit is the best fit for your needs. Item number 5. This tire repair kit offers a quick and permanent solution for flat tires across cars, motorcycles, SUVs, and more. Designed for easy use, it requires minimal force, making it beginner-friendly. The fast-drying vulcanizing fluid seals punctures in just minutes, getting you back on the road quickly. Its advanced rubber strips create a strong chemical bond with the tire, ensuring long-lasting durability. The slim reamer prevents further damage, while the flexible seal keeps out water and dust, protecting the tire's internal structure. Item number 4. This universal tire repair kit is a complete emergency solution for fixing flat tires quickly and efficiently. It includes multiple tools, repair plugs, and essential accessories to handle punctures with ease. Built with high-strength, rust-resistant materials, it ensures durability and reliable performance. The natural rubber repair strips provide strong sealing and long-lasting results. Designed for tubeless tires, it allows fast repairs without removing the wheel. Packed in a compact portable bag, it's perfect for cars, motorcycles, trucks, and other vehicles. Item number 3. This tire screw plug repair kit offers a fast and efficient way to fix flat tires without removing the wheel. Its advanced screw plug system works on both tread and sidewall punctures, providing a stronger and more reliable seal. The complete set includes all essential tools for quick emergency repairs. Designed for universal use, it fits cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, and more. Packed in a compact storage bag, it's easy to carry and always ready for roadside situations. Item number 2. This advanced tire sealant helps prevent flat tires before they happen, saving both time and repair costs. Powered by strong Kevlar fibers, it quickly seals leaks while remaining non-toxic and mess-free. The water-washable formula contains no latex or sticky adhesives, making cleanup simple. Proven in tough environments, it's trusted by professionals in landscaping, construction, and agriculture. Ideal for outdoor equipment like riding mowers, snowblowers, and utility tires, it delivers reliable, long-lasting protection in demanding conditions. Item number 1. This tire sealant delivers fast and reliable protection for small tires and bicycles. Its advanced formula flows quickly to seal punctures, even when air pressure is low, ensuring rapid results. Enhanced with strong Kevlar fibers, it provides long-lasting sealing and helps prevent future leaks. The non-toxic, water-washable design avoids messy cleanup and won't dry out over time. Suitable for both tubed and tubeless tires, it offers 24/7 protection and is ideal for bikes, scooters, and mobility devices.